Nah, we need a different radio. Climbing well.
Whoa.
Very nice to see you. It's taken 5 years. 5 bloody years.
If we've only gone outdoors.
It's like trying to carry a bag of
No, it's fine.
It actually looks pretty good. It runs pretty well. It runs less than a battery, about 5 minutes.
Right.
It's a bit weird in the night vision. It's got one in.
Yeah, when Adrian was flying, I had the opportunity to look. Yeah. And I could see this little one was like that.
And it? Because it hasn't got the X-bar on the rudder, it'll hold it or not. Actually, that's better than it is with a smaller battery.
But don't forget, the centre of gravity is probably out.
Yeah, it's probably better with a big battery.
In fact, Anna's making you look like a bad pilot at the moment. Anna's making you look like a bad pilot at the moment.
What we're talking about now.
We've pushed each other along years.
Well, I'll tell you what, how many can you make this? No problem.
Used to that radio.
Some of them made the glass particles low. I've made glass particles. Look at this. This is the plastic, isn't it?
Well, he's calling you a chicken. Snap roll. Go fast. A side set. Snap roll.
Go through your code. That's my bad. You want this? You are the origin? Yes. I'm glad you turned up. Good to see you. Brilliant. You're welcome. There's also stuff that you want to you never go with it, have you? No, I've got another proposal.
Try and get a balance on the whole of that.
So, can we convince you to get
I think he's going out of power, isn't he?